How to track your Shipt order progress in real time. Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we are providing you with a very super simple step-by-step guide and in order to track your order in real time, perfect to track it out so you can follow this method. So we can start by opening up the Shipt application, or you can even head over to shipt.com and log in into your account. From here we can go to our orders. So look out for the orders option directly in the top right corner and select it up. And this will open up the order page. Here you can open up the order that is currently scheduled or in progress. And when you are in this page, you will be seeing real-time updates like order confirmed, shopper assigned, shopping started, checking out on the way, delivered, etc. So you can just go and check out this page, and you can chat with the shopper while shopping. So you can head over basically and look out for, when shopping starts, you can message your shopper. You can directly look out for your shopper's account. You can head over to one of the shopper's page, and there you can look out for message option, and you can just go over and message them. Also, when the shopping starts, you can message your shopper in the application to ask about the items or the substitutions, and make sure that the notifications in your devices are on so that you get alerts for every step. Also, refresh your application and also check your internet connection. You can look out for your internet connection like this. And if you're using the application, update the application to the latest version. Some stores or areas may have limited live tracking details. And that's it. You can just go over and use this method in order to view your tracking status, like track up your order status. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.